位置咧喺大圍嘅隆亨邨啊，應該叫田心啊，其實。This is somewhere near Tai Wai, 隆亨 Estate。咁咧留意到呢度咧有個街市，我上次嚟嘅時候咧漏影咗。I noticed that they have wet markets here that I have missed out last time, so that I'm coming here again to cover it。好啦，咁入去望一望啦，安心出行就做咗啦。咁上次 miss 咗嘅。呢度咧音樂比較大聲少少，所以都有啲麻煩。咁啊點都好啦，盡量講多幾句嘢去 cover 佢啦嚇。咁留意到有啲熟食嘅鋪頭啦。咁I noticed that they have some cooked food store here, and then this one is for frozen food. Okay, this one has got all kinds of groceries. 魚蛋，咁側邊有啲乾貨鋪嘅，咁呢個好似係賣首飾嘅啦，嗰啲髮夾啊等等，頭箍啊嗰啲。呢個賣魚嘅 ，fresh seafood, a little boutique, another for fish balls, meatballs。龜苓膏海天堂 ，that is a herbal tea shop. Frozen meat, local eggs. Actually not local. They've got all kinds of eggs. 有間豬油發嘅。賣菜、賣生果、賣凍肉，哇！呢個番茄醬啊，成串咁樣嘅喎。暫時見到菜心最平11蚊斤，新鮮豬肉 fresh pork。又有另一間賣海鮮嘅，2間添。前面咧有碌好大碌嘅粟米啊 ！They have a very large sweet corn decoration here. So some more for vegetables, fresh meat, fresh pork, frozen food, and other one for vegetables. So far, the cheapest choice sum I can find is $11 per kg. This one is for making cheese. This is for assorted beef, including beef organs. 有間中藥房喎，Chinese pharmacy。A shop for homeware. Oh, and they have fresh beef. But they don't have fresh chicken yet. I can't see them yet. Okay, some more cooked food store. Okay, including like Chinese buns, bakery, and Okay, so that is for Chuzhou food. Chuzhou is one of the cities in China, so they have some very special dish there. That is some of them are made in made with sweet soy sauce. So another exit. I see some lychee. It is the season for lychee now. Okay, so I come here again to cover everything. Just in case if I've missed anything. In case 我 miss 咗任何嘢啦，所以就啱啱打橫行，而家打直行，類似係咁樣啦。有間賣魚滑嘅。So they have a shop for fish and shrimp paste. 叫絲和牛啊。This one is for frozen meat, beef specialist. 剛才個碌好大碌嘅粟米。Okay, so this was the large sweet corn decorations I have mentioned before. 雜貨鋪。仲有啲咩呢？呢度呢音樂超級大聲啊，所以都非常麻煩。錦發五金。Okay, so a hardware shop, but they also sell homeware. 呢間中藥房呢幾有趣。That Chinese pharmacy is quite interesting. It looks very old-fashioned. 有啲小食店啦 ，outlet。榮基牛雜。好啦，咁基本上就應該咧影晒啦。呢度咧有間係做指甲嘅喎。So I think that is all. I should have covered everything. This Chinese pharmacy is very interesting, very old-fashioned. 好啦，行翻出嚟啦。咁呢個就係隆亨邨嘅街市啦，唔知係咪叫隆亨街市咧？ Okay, so I'm outside now, and that was the wet market located in Longheng Estate. And thanks for watching. 我哋下段片再見啦。呢個係隆亨邨嘅街市，最平菜心11蚊斤，見到有新鮮牛肉、豬肉、海鮮，不過咧就唔見有活雞啊嗰啲啦。Okay, so I can see fresh pork, fresh meat, fresh seafood, but I can't see any fresh chicken there. Okay, so I think it is a kind of a mid-scaled wet market. At least they have got fresh beef. 而家好多街市都冇新鮮牛肉嘅，所以呢個街市都算係咁噶啦。好啦，咁我哋下段片再見啦，多謝大家收睇，拜拜。